Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. The goal with our forward scissors is to learn how to be comfortable with our feet separated front to back, slightly one ahead and one behind our natural center point. So as we're skating along, we're going to practice this by bending our knees and reaching forward first. That is the most important one, okay? To make sure that we're very used to the feeling of reaching forwards and ahead with one foot at a time. Notice how I'm keeping the other leg underneath me with that bended knee, that zigzag leg underneath me as I reach forward with one foot and then back underneath me.
Get going with some forward skating and set up on 2 feet, bent knees. Keep both feet on the ice and begin sliding 1 foot ahead, stretching and straightening out that leg to create distance. Maintain your basic arms out and squared front-facing posture. This stillness in the upper body will allow you to focus on your legs. And this is a bird's eye view of your footwork, but bear in mind it's a bad habit to stare at our feet, so once you know the pattern, get those eyes up. Hockey skaters, you may need to work a little harder to keep your mid-blade in contact with the ground, as the back curve of your blade makes it tempting for your toes to pull up.
An additional note for this one is we want to make sure that, just like good train tracks, that we're going to keep those legs and feet parallel. So we've talked about neutral feet before now. The feet will stay vertical, the blades vertical, knees bent. And as we reach forward 1 foot at a time, we're going to make sure that that's staying in a nice parallel line. We're not letting it splurge off in any different directions, letting that leg roll and tumble one side or the other. Real discipline in those legs as we reach forward and back and forward and back.